Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another daily video here from 88 Rotors Off-Road, and welcome back to our shop. Today's video is going to be on a couple different Toyota Tundras that we're working on. We're going to start off with this cement gray 2020 4x4 TRD Off-Road. We're going to swap in some King's 2.5 Remote Reservoir front and rear coilovers and shocks, along with some rear 2-inch lift shackles and an Icon tubular uniball upper control arm. Of course, we're going to do our special body mount chop to clear some 35-inch tires, 35 12.5 to be exact, in an 18-inch diameter wheel of 18x9 plus 20 field vectors in a matte black finish. As the vehicle goes up on the rack, we remove the wheels and tires to take out the TPMS sensors to swap them over to the new wheels and tires. Our techs start jumping in and start removing the factory suspension components. We're adjusting the front coilovers to a 3-inch lift height. Here's a closer look at the field vector wheels. And here's our tech removing the factory TPMS sensors. And fast forward, the rear lift shackles have been installed along with the 2.5 remote reservoir rear shocks. And here's the front end suspension already installed. These are the Icon Delta Joint Tubular Upper Control Arms. I apologize if I said uniball earlier, but this is a one-shot recording, so there it is. Kings were adjusted out of the box to about 3 inches of actual lift height. Tech is now double checking his work and doing his quality control inspection. Is now going to come right in here and chop off the body mount and then block it off with a plate and form it to the underbody of the vehicle. Once we get that done, we will clean it up and paint it to match the underside as well. Body mount chops give us about 1.5 inches of extra tire clearance. If you want to see a more detailed video of our BMC, feel free to click on one of the links in the description or just go to our channel and search up BMC for body mount chop. And here's the finished product and what the BMC looks like when it's complete. Wrapped up the field vector wheels with the 35 12.5 18 BFGoodrich KO2 all-terrain tire. 2020 cement gray Tundra is now complete. We're going to bring it out for a quick test drive before we hand the keys back over to the customer. We hope that you guys are enjoying this video so far, and if you do so, please find time to click on that thumbs up and give us a like. It makes a big difference for this video and our channel, and we'd greatly appreciate that. '88 Rotors is located in the city of South El Monte, which is about 20 minutes east of downtown Los Angeles in California, USA. If you're looking to get some work done by us, feel free to give us a call anytime during regular business hours or send us a message through our contact form by clicking on the link in the description. Up, we have another 2019 Toyota Tundra. This one's going with a 6112 setup in the front and a 5160 rear shock setup. This customer currently has no rear lift, and the front was requested to be adjusted to the second notch from the top. If you guys are into Toyota trucks, you know we post a gang of them. If you like what you see and want to see more, make sure you subscribe to our channel and turn on that notification bell. That way you'll get alerted every single time we post a new daily video. And until next time, take care guys. For the time being, please enjoy the rest of the video. Make sure you comment, like, share, subscribe, and enjoy them all.